Very good. I like the steps over there. Very good. So I really like it. You get the same denominator here. So that helps you the problem to solve faster. So what you can do at this point is, so you have the x up here and then 2/4 right here. So one way you can do, you can bring this 2/4 here and then 3 over x to the other side. So the negative becomes positive, positive becomes negative. So if I do this question here, so it's going to be 35th over 14, take away 2 over 14 equal 3 over x.
Yeah.
Right? So now since you have the same denominator here, you keep the one denominator there, which is 14. So 35 take away 2, which is 33 equal 3 over x. So one way you can do this one, you can do cross multiplication and then divide it, or since you see this both sides, you have a 33 and 3, you can reduce by 3 there. So what I can do is 3 goes in 33 11 times, and then since it is x is in the denominator, you can switch it. So it becomes x equal 14 over 11. Or you can reduce that one to 1, 3, 11s. All right, do you understand that?
Yeah. So x is 1 and 3 11.
That's right.